Today's video will cover a wide range of topics, so let's dive in. We'll discuss the XRP chart, the bullcrap ruling, and the SEC Ripple. We primarily utilize this chart due to its consistent alignment. We're going to look at Ethereum wherever we want. To see it, I wonder what Sony is up to. Sony's entry into the cryptocurrency realm and its examination of Bitcoin's pivotal moment are of interest since it is drawing near rapidly unwind. And let's get started. Bitcoin $62. 186. Ethereum is now at $3,460, up 1.7% over the last 24 hours. It is now up 2.08% from the previous day. And they had both decreased in 99 pegs and XRP. You should know what someone flicked over the last 24 hours. The market moved up 48 or 1.92% after someone pried it and gave it a shake last night. $2 trillion. This trillion or $335 billion. Billion is the market cap for cryptocurrencies. Where will we travel next? We're in the CHP range, so I'll just show you a few seconds as we pull up the chart. Tweet in. Go through the steps to confirm or refute the breakthrough. I am aware. Bitcoin Magazine 103 billion. Yes, the powerhouse house is Sony, because Sony, the electronics giant, plans to introduce a Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange. They won't. Sony is planning to launch a Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange named Stupid here to showcase Bitcoin. Will it be the sole cryptocurrency available on their exchange? No, they will be creating an exchange with a variety of crypto assets in exciting days ahead. Otherwise, they wouldn't be launching an exchange if Ethereum costs. Before approval, Ethereum's ETF exceeded its 5% target increase in whale activity. We're aware that it's coming. When will it arrive is the question. Rumors just a delay, but in any case we anticipate the launch of an Ethereum ETF within the next 2 months. We know it will arrive in July or August, triggering all coin movements. I'm not stating that's the primary action. That's not what I'm saying. This is the peak motion for a parabolic blow-off. This is a warm-up move. If the ETF hits Q3, we should see alternative moves. Our goal is to see all coins eventually move higher. We informed you that your XRP push-up is imminent. Q3 it will soon be seen. Maintain eye contact. It was meant to launch yesterday on the Ethereum ETF, but it's not happening. Some are asserting a postponement until the end of the month or at most mid-August. What does that delay accomplish? The delay halts the market's upward trajectory, and as we approach this remarkable cryptocurrency for which we've provided you with a chart, he asserts that we are approaching our primary resistance area. This is located in the area of interest roughly between 62,000 to 645,000. We have to go past that. We're currently at 626, so we need to break through this pinky shaded zone. If we manage to break through this pinky shaded zone and establish fresh support, we will rapidly ascend, surpassing 74K and ultimately reaching 880,000. It's not happening overnight, but we're starting to. Yes, people, we are almost there. We're approaching those levels. If not, the best buy will be 57 to 60 opportunities for the remaining portion of the market will present themselves before we push up to 100 or 160,000. Observe the events that are taking place. Then, people, we get more garbage, more XRP talking about security. What's new? I'm aware that it's XRP is security, both an XRP and a seasoned veteran. The SEC advocates have it figured out, folks. Yes, it is correct. Mark Figel observes a minor detail concerning the involvement of threshold questions in the fraud when the surviving fraud claim falls under the jurisdiction of California law. Federal legislation governs the sale of securities. Fred adds, but didn't California just use HO as its own analysis to determine whether a transaction is protected by state law as a security? For unknown reasons, certain jurisdictions are reviving the discussions about XRP security status. These states are attempting to enact their own laws and regulations, believing that they are superior to Judge Torres and hers in resolving this issue. Allow me to provide my perspective. Let's listen to what Stuart Alder has to say. Judge Torres and SEC Vice President Ripple are correct. Please proceed to Al's page. That's his little nickname. XRP is not a security end in of itself. Other courts are acknowledging her legitimacy. She has agreed to accept the decision, as it is the law of the land stipulates that it is considered an overgame and it is not permissible to add more to a discussion about a security issue. Match above the predetermined gain. Point X does not constitute a security regardless of A statement we choose to display here. I'm exhausted from witnessing it. I'm tired of hearing about it. Yes, that was in 2020. I realize it's time to move on from 2021. There's not much more for them to do to FUD XRP. Understand, which is why I'm trying to bring this to the forefront. The second XRP may be currently a security in California, but it might not be in New York or Florida. Just don't quit, please. XRP is not a total security solution. This cannot be changed. There is no reversal of verdicts or decisions. It isn't sufficiently secure. Brad Hill released his chart, which showed promising results for XRP. I'm going to blow it up, people. It's a little fuzzy, but I apologize. This is the chart here. Examining for XRP's next target, which is 290 to 1610 on the first move. You should be aware of XRP's next target. We've already discussed this, right? 75 cents is a push. That's all there is to it. That's what we will be focusing on right now. This area, 75 cents. When XRP crosses the 75-cent mark, that's what we're aiming for. Where are the 5 FIB members now? It will be quite difficult to break through our all-time high from 2017, since there hasn't been an all-time high or anything approaching an all-time high in years. Holders of XRP and other cryptocurrencies don't notice whenever a cryptocurrency tries to test its previous all-time high, because many of the investors who bought at the peak are selling a lot of shares. People are making money because the cryptocurrency is on the verge of breaking its previous all-time high or reaching its all-time high. As a result, there is preparedness for a fight when we reach the $2.90 to $3 range, because a lot is going on there, but people price the cost of discovery. It's lovely to discover things. There isn't a chart available that can predict what will happen to XRP if it breaks its all-time high from 2017. We've seen all these charts. RIP.